Welcome back, YouTubers. Well, today I just got a quick video to show you how to save money if you've got any type of equipment that uses a keypad with this silicone button overlay. So we had an issue. This key right here it's the enter key, so it gets pushed all the time, constantly, multiple times a day. And this tore loose, the actual key tore loose. So the company came in, replaced this keypad at a cost of $7,000. You go over to O'Reilly's, you buy this stuff. It's called flowable silicone, so it has a consistency thicker than water but thinner than normal silicone. Cost you $6.49 locally. We pulled this whole face off. We put silicone on the inside, let that set overnight. We flipped it over, put silicone on the outside. Now it is functional again. Had we known this, we could have saved $6,993. Check into stuff before you call that repairman, guys. Thanks for watching.